this is the package it comes in. It's very nice looking. I think this handle, however, I already opened it and repacked it, so I could make a video of like an unboxing sort of. I think the handle is very good looking. It's great. However, it's very slippery. I don't think it's the right handle material for a knife. The Damascus seems very good. It looks nice. However, I've seen knives with this sort of style that are just they just blow you away. Okay? So far, so good. Though. Great. Let's see. I just figured that.
This is a beautiful knife. Smooth action. It's tight. One hand operation. Very, very nice piece.